Also in Real Analysis on TikTok Part 7, I brought cookies today. So these are chocolate chip cookies, and if you took a bite of them, you would probably get some chocolate, but you can't be sure. In fact, if you were really small, like an ant, and you took a bite, you might not get any chocolate at all. Compare that to what happens with these cookies here, where the chocolate is more dense or spread throughout the cookies. That's what today's lesson is about, because in the real number system, the whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're like the chocolate chip cookies. There are a lot of them, but if you were really microscopic or zoomed in, there would be no whole numbers anywhere near you. For this reason, we would say that the whole numbers or the integers are not dense on the number line. However, maybe you noticed that there are a bunch of rational numbers, those points with finite decimal expansions, that are in our picture. And no matter how far we zoomed in, we would have those. This is because of the beautiful fact that in the real numbers, the rational numbers are dense. And that means if you took an open interval on the number line, no matter how small it was, I promise you there's a rational number inside of it. And if you want to see why, here's a real sketch of the proof. And so imagine our interval was over to the right of 0, the interval from A to B. And imagine it has length L. You can think of that as lava. Now, by the Archimedean principle, there's some number, n, some whole number, that is smaller than L when we do 1 over it. Now I think of that as like a step size. Now I'm going to take a walk. I'm going to go 1 over n, 2 over n, 3 over n. And because my step size is smaller than the amount of lava I have, at some point I'm going to land inside of it. Now it doesn't matter if it's the 99th step or the 4023rd step. That numerator and the denominator are both whole numbers, and that will be a rational number that lands inside of the lava. Now, as you might expect, it's actually a little bit of work to check all the details in this, and probably too much to do in a TikTok, but if you have specific questions, let me know. See you next time.